everyone and welcome back to U4N6. In our last video on bloodstain pattern analysis, we discussed types of bloodstain patterns. Today, we'll discuss analysis of spatter pattern. Important functions of BPA is to support or corroborate witness statements, laboratory findings, and postmortem findings. Trained bloodstain pattern analyst is required to examine the blood evidence left behind at the crime scene. Spatter pattern analysis can give us information about velocity of blood drops, angle of impact, directionality of stain, and area of origin. Velocity of blood drops. Higher the external energy, higher is the velocities of droplets and smaller the size. Based on different travelling speeds, blood spatter can be divided into three categories. Number 1 is low velocity. When a blood droplet is travelling at the speed of less than 1.5 meter per second, the resulting stains are usually more than 4 mm in diameter. Medium velocity. When a blood source is subjected to a force associated with beatings or stabbings, the resulting stains range from 1 to 4 mm in diameter. High velocity. When a blood source is subjected to a force associated with shooting using firearms, the resulting stains are usually less than 1 mm in diameter. Angle of impact. When a blood drop lands on a surface at a perpendicular angle, a circular parent stain is formed. When a blood drop is projected onto a surface at an angle between 0 and 90 degrees, the stain is elongated. Angle of impact is the acute angle relative to the plane of a target at which a blood drop strikes. It can be calculated using sin alpha is equals to W by L, where W is the width of stain and L is the length of stain. To produce accurate and reproducible measurements, bloodstain pattern analysis software can be used, which superimposes a scaled, closed-up image of an individual bloodstain and calculates the angle of impact. Directionality of stain. It is the characteristic of a bloodstain that indicates the direction of blood at the time of deposition. When the blood source is projected onto a surface at an angle between 0 and 90 degrees, the resulting spatter stain is an elongated ellipse which is known as the parent stain. A satellite stain is a smaller blood stain that originated during the formation of the parent stain as a result of blood impacting a surface. A spine is the pointed edge away from the parent stain. The pointed end of the spine always point towards the direction of travel of the blood stains. Area of origin. It is the three-dimensional location from which spatter originated. The area of origin can be determined based on the measurements from multiple elongated spatter stains. Two methods to determine area of origin are string method and tangent method. In string method, first, multiple well-formed elongated spatter stains are selected for analysis. Then, for each stain, the angle of impact is calculated, after which a piece of string is connected between the stain and the surface with one end of the string precisely attached to the spatter stain. In tangent method, the directionality of a single stain is determined first. A line is then back projected through the major axis of the blood stain. Area of convergence is the area containing the intersections generated by lines drawn through the long axis of individual stains that indicates in 2 dimensions the location of the blood source. Height of area of convergence can be calculated by H is equals to D tan alpha, where H is the height and D is the distance from the blood stain to the area of convergence.